Good morning friend, how are you? In my previous video, I have explained about the preparation of hydrogen colloid gas in the lab and the question related to the hydrogen colloid gas. Related to the lab preparation of hydrogen colloid gas. Actually, I am not giving any single question that you have to ask any doubt. I am explaining each and every question related to the lab preparation, and whatever question you can make and whatever given in exercise, I am explaining each and all the question. Once you read the chapters, I hope that there will be no any question that will be doubt for you. Please, seriously you read the chapter. Okay? Now, physical property of the hydrogen chloride gas. You know that this is the acid. The taste of this acid will be sour. Now, physical property. The acid is colorless. Odor means smell. Pungent odor smell and sour in taste. Now about density, you know the physical property density, mass per unit volume is known as density. That is given, it is 1.25 to 8 times heavier than air. Its density is 1.28 times heavier than air. So this gas is collected by upward displacement of the air. You know the collection of this gas by upward displacement of the air. Why? Because this gas is 1.28 times heavier than air. Now its boiling point. Its boiling point is minus 83 degrees Celsius, and freezing point or melting point is minus 113 degrees Celsius in solid state. This is the boiling point, this is the melting point of hydrogen colloid gas. Boiling point minus 83 degrees Celsius, melting point minus 113 degrees Celsius in solid state, I say that. Now, one experiment I am going to explain. Actually, I have written this is experiment number 1 because experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4 you will get in third B chapter. Third B chapter in acid base salt analytical chemistry. But that experiment you have to do in the lab. Without doing experiment in the lab, if you are writing the conclusion, that is useless. Means you have to do in the lab, write your observation, what precipitation, what color precipitation you are finding, that you write in the copy. But in this chapter, compound chapter, first experiment I am going to explain. This experiment you have to write on your experiment copy. Aim is that to demonstrate high solubility of hydrogen colloid gas. Just you add one more line. To demonstrate high solubility of hydrogen colloid gas and their properties, means acidic property of hydrogen colloid gas, that you can see by fountain experiment. This experiment generally known as fountain experiment. Two experiments you will study, red fountain and blue fountain. What apparatus you can use? I have written apparatus use round bottom flask. This is a round bottom flask. In inverted position, beaker, this one is the beaker, delivery tube, this one is the delivery tube, blue litmus solution. In this there is a solution which are in blue color. Now set up this arrangement. This is the stand. This one the stand. You set up this stand on this way. I have done this experiment more than 4 or 5 times. You can also do that. Okay? Take a round bottom flask. Clamp this round bottom flask on in inverted position. Collect here hydrogen chloride gas which you are preparing in the lab. Now the mouth of this inverted gas jar connected with delivery tube. Connected with delivery tube. Other end of the delivery tube connected with a beaker which contain a solution of blue litmus solution. Means litmus solution in a small quantity. Take distilled water, add some solution in that. The solution will be blue in color. Now, when you set up this experiment, take a wet cloth, means that cloth contains some ice. Means cold wet cloth, means the cloth contains some ice. A piece of ice wrapped with cloth. Just you put on here at the top of the beaker. What happens when you put this cloth which is wrapped with the cold ice, so that the temperature of this area will be decreased. When the temperature will decrease, it creates a vacuum, because you know that one volume of water can be dissolved 452 volume of hydrogen chloride gas. Already I had explained this one. When you keep here wet cloth wrapped with cold ice, it creates a vacuum. What happens then? This blue solution sucked by hydrogen chloride gas create a vacuum, and this blue solution when come in there, it's change into the red color. This solution change into the red color and create a vacuum. Vacuum means highly it will come inside this round bottom flask. This so that hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water, also so that it is acidic in nature. This blue means blue solution change into the red solution. So this experiment is known as red fountain experiment. My dear student, you have to write same thing in your copy, and this diagram that is in on the practical copy, lab manual copy. This is your first experiment to demonstrate high solubility of hydrogen chloride gas, and it is acidic in nature. This is the first experiment. I hope that you will write on your copy. Now I am moving to our next topic, that is chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. What are the chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas? First property, just you know that in acid base chapter I had explained their behavior. Means in acidic nature and basic nature. I had explained acid base indicator. First one, litmus paper, that are the purple in color. In acidic medium, that will be red in color. In basic medium, blue in color, that is litmus paper or litmus solution. Second one, methyl orange. Methyl orange, that is orange in color. In acidic medium, that will be orange in color. Orange in color. In basic medium, that will be pink in color. I have already explained in acid base chapter. Next one, phenolphthalein, that is colorless. In acidic medium, that will be colorless. In basic medium, that will also be colorless solution. Now alkaline phenolphthalein, that is pink in acidic medium and colorless in basic medium. That already I have explained in acid base chapter. Now when hydrogen chloride gas up to temperature more than 500 degrees Celsius, hydrogen chloride gas up to temperature above more than 500 degrees Celsius, it gives hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. One more thing, just I am going to say that. You know different type of the fuel. What are the fuel? Any substance which burn in air, its give product will be heat and light energy. That substance are known as fuel. What are the fuel? Any substance which burn in presence of oxygen give heat and light energy. The substance are known as fuel. You know that animal gun, its calorific value is 12. Means that is very poor fuel. Whereas LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, petrol, their calorific value is 50. Whereas hydrogen having high calorific value 150. Means when it's burning in air, its product is water, and water does not cause any environmental pollution. So hydrogen is always considered clean fuel. Only hydrogen is considered clean fuel. Why? When it's burning air, hydrogen burns in air, the product is water, and water does not cause any environmental pollution. So hydrogen is called or considered as a clean fuel. Now some other property. When hydrogen chloride gas react with the active metal like zinc, magnesium, iron. See that when hydrogen chloride gas to HCl, hydrogen chloride gas, I am not talking about the acid, I am talking about hydrogen chloride gas. When it's react with zinc, it's form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. In case of magnesium, also same thing. See that magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. In case of iron second, it's give FeCl2, iron second chloride or ferrous chloride and hydrogen gas. These are some chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Now we are moving towards hydrochloric acid. This is hydrogen chloride gas. Now hydrogen or compounds hydrochloric acid in liquid form. How can you prepare hydrochloric acid? See that hydrochloric acid can be prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in water. This is a process of preparing hydrogen chloride acid or liquid. Acid. How can you prepare? It is prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in the water. But process of dissolving is a little bit different. Why? Suppose that if you have prepared in the laboratory hydrogen chloride gas, now you want to dissolve in water this apparatus containing water. Water means in chemistry, remember that I am always talking about the water having melting point 0 degree Celsius and boiling point, melting point and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. It means distilled water, not about ordinary water. Remember and keep in your mind. In chemistry, if water term is coming, it means that water is only the water having melting point 0 or freezing point 0 degree Celsius and boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. Means distilled water or pure water. When you are going to dissolve this water, this hydrogen chloride gas indirectly to the water, it's created vacuum. In that, because what hydrogen chloride gas or water is a highly soluble in hydrogen chloride gas, it's created vacuum, and in that condition this glass apparatus can be cracked. So what is other process? When it's created vacuum, in that position this glass apparatus will be cracked. This is called back suction. Back suction. How can we avoid the back suction? First question is that how can we avoid the back suction? It is very easy process. We can avoid the back suction. First one, to give large surface area. Means first one, by funnel arrangement. What I say? By funnel arrangement. Funnel arrangement. See that this one, water. This is shaped like just funnel. First answer is that by funnel arrangement. Why we are using the funnel arrangement? Suppose that this is water. When hydrogen chloride gas start vacuum, so that some water it will be sucked inside. When you suck the water, see that the level of water will be decreased and it will create a air gap. In that, the contact of hydrogen chloride gas with the water will stop and the vacuum what it's going to be created will be stopped. So now decrease the level of this, again funnel up to this, and slowly we can easily dissolve hydrogen chloride gas, means water in hydrogen chloride gas, and it's form hydrochloric acid. So how can you prepare hydrogen chloric acid? Hydrochloric acid can be prepared by dissolving water into hydrogen chloride gas by funnel arrangement. How can we avoid the back section? We can avoid the back section by funnel arrangement. Second answer, to giving large surface area for dissolving water in hydrogen chloride gas. This is the two-line answer of that. How can we avoid the back section? Next point is that again only the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. What is the back section? Question is that right? If you want to write, you can write the question. What is the back section? What is back section? Question first. What do you mean by back section? Back section. Question number 2. How we avoid back section? These two questions I am giving that are very important question. Now, physical property of hydrochloric acid, liquid or acid. The physical property of hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid is same as hydrogen chloride gas. Colorless, odor, pungent and its taste is sour taste. Some melting point and boiling point are same. Now we are going to discuss about chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. Chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. I have written L means liquid. When I will explain the chemical properties of hydrochloric acid, after that your chapter will be this compounds. First one means 7th A will be over. After that I will explain the exercise question. Thank you. Have a nice